What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's brand new video, I want to show you how you can make money online with not one, but two brand new artificial intelligence platforms that I've been using to automatically generate TikTok content with this tool over here by producing 10 viral clips automatically for me without having to produce the content myself. And doing this, I've been generating traffic off of TikTok and short video platforms with the link in my bio via another artificial intelligence tool that has automatically been generating me sales pages and affiliate marketing pages and funnels with email marketing campaigns, which gives you access to hundreds of different pages that you can use to plug into various affiliate products on clickbank.com. This strategy really allows you to build a full-blown affiliate marketing business on any social media platform, whether it's Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and it's a long-term longevity business because you are building a community for yourself. Instead of just posting random links on Reddit posts or Quora answers and questions and hoping people click on your link, with this strategy, you are actually providing value. People follow you and actually show interest in your product, which is the biggest difference that a lot of people miss out on and don't understand with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is anything but actually making sales. It's giving value and building a relationship with your audience that is watching your content. So to go and get started with this is really easy. Let's start off with step number one. I really recommend that you watch this video until the end because I'm going to really make this in the most easiest way possible with the step-by-step process. So let's start off by step number one by actually going and finding our product. So if you come over to clickbank.com, you can create a free account by clicking on start here. If you've already got an account, you can log in with your existing account. Once you've signed in, you will see a whole bunch of different categories of products that you can go and promote over here. Now it's really easy to go and choose a category. Firstly, I'll give you the best two that are performing right now, which is health and fitness and e-business and e-marketing. What I also recommend is choose something that you love or you're passionate about. So for example, if you're into cooking, home cooking, and you've always wanted to maybe build a side hustle out of that, you can go and promote cooking, food, and wine products and recipes. That also really does well. In my example, I'm going to go and use e-business and e-marketing, which is various different courses and opportunities that people can educate themselves to make money online. So for example, this system over here, ClickWealth system, is an entire course or product that teaches you how to get clicks and traffic to your product that you're selling online. And we can go and promote this product as an affiliate and we'll earn $19.02 every time you make a sale through your affiliate link. There's a couple of hidden points that I want you to look out for on clickbank.com. If you come over to some of the products and you take a look at these statistics over here, you will have gravity score, initial dollar per conversion, and your reoccurring or rebill commission that you will get off this product. So for example, gravity score means that 303 people have made money off this product in the last 30 days. The reoccurring rebill means this is what you're going to be earning every month as well on the affiliate commission and the monthly subscription to this product per month. So this product will bring in that passive income cash flow, which is very attractive for you as an affiliate marketer to go and promote. For example, another great product, gravity score of 276, meaning 276 people have made money off this product in the last 30 days. And this is good because this means this product is selling. It means people are buying it, it's working, people are happy with its quality, and the recurring rebill of $41.52 with your initial first sale conversion of $19.33. Over here, one of my favorite products to go and promote because it's really easy to go and promote. Most people that click on it understand it's easy for anybody to do, is called writeappreviews.com, where you will get paid to review apps on your phone. And every time you refer someone to write a review, you will get a commission of $33.72. And this product has a gravity score of 156, so it's converting well, people are buying it, people are doing this, so this is a great example of a product that you can go and promote. And it's really easy to go and get your link. Click on promote on the right hand side, click on generate hop link, and this link over here that it will generate for you is your unique affiliate link. So I recommend go and copy this for now on your PC or on your phone. You can save it on a WhatsApp chat. Just open up a notepad and save this affiliate link over here, because we're going to come back to this later. So this is step number 1 complete, is finding our affiliate product and saving our affiliate link so that we can plug it into our social media and landing page later on. Step number 2 is to go and generate a really high quality and high probability selling landing page. And there are very few platforms on the internet that have these kind of templates for you. So I'm going to show you my number 1 platform that I use to generate my sales pages, such as this one over here, which is a tool I've created for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that I'm busy selling and promoting. And this landing page really has done all of the selling for me because of the quality of it. This tool is called Kartra.com. And you can actually go and get a 30-day free trial. Yes, this is a paid tool, but what I recommend you do is if you go and search up on Google Kartra trial over here, you can just click on the all-in-one platform, come over to plans and pricing, and you can choose any one of these products. I recommend you start off with the starter. I use the silver, and you can start your trial for 14 days. If you wait a while on this page, they actually offer you a 30-day trial, and you can click on yes, double my trial. I recommend do this because then you've got 30 days to try this out. So by the time your 30-day trial ends, hopefully you're going to use the strategy that I've shown you, and you will have 30 pieces of content posted in these 30 days, which should generate you more than enough sales to pay off your Kartra account. Because remember, in all businesses, we have an expense if you really want to make it and get your hands on the right tools. In this case, your sales will definitely pay off your Kartra account, which you basically are not paying for that because your sales are paying for that. So once you've got your Kartra account, your dashboard is going to look like this. On the left-hand side, you've got all of your products, communications, forms, memberships, your videos, calendars, etc. If you come over to pages, you want to go and look for the product launch page. A really great example of one of these is this purple theme over here called the blue product page with video, which is a really basic sales page and launch page with the menu bar, the logo, a done for you video over here, and you can sign up for this product over here. If you want to go and import this page, go and click on select. You want to go and click no category in particular. Under your site, click on manage my sites, and you can go and create a new site. So for example, my affiliate business. Click on add, and all of your affiliate products will be added to this category of sites. It's just nice to kind of categorize your site so you don't lose track of which pages are where. So you can go and click on the affiliate business for the home of this page. For the name of this page, you can go and type home, click on create, and it will automatically open up this page in the Kartra page builder, where you can easily go and drag and drop templates, pictures, and all of your text. Once your page builder is open up like this, it's really easy to go and touch this up. All you need to go and do is click on the link of your affiliate product on Clickbank, and it will open up the landing page of this product. So over here, you can go and see, very simple, you can go and copy this text over here, just like this. You can come over to this text bar, paste this all over here, really just like this, in the middle, and then for the heading of this text, you just want to go and type $25 to $35 an hour writing app reviews. You can actually close this video section over here, drag the sign up button under the heading that looks like this. You can actually go and delete this menu bar, as we just need a really simple landing page. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And over here, under this column section, just hover over the delete button and it will remove that empty section, and you can delete all of the other sections. It really doesn't matter. We don't need a lot of content on this page. It's just acting as a quality bridge page to your product, which in this case is your Clickbank product. Then all you want to go and do is under this button, click on edit style. There's a button or a pen over here that says edit style. It will open up a sidebar that looks like this. Click on link to another page, click on link to external custom URL, click on HTTPS. Under Clickbank, go and get your affiliate link. So just click on promote, click on generate hop link, or you can go and copy that same affiliate link we saved in our notepad. Come back to Kartra, paste that link over here, and click on apply. And what you can go and do is click on file, publish live, And this page will automatically be published live to the internet with your own homepage that looks like this. So now your page looks like this, where people can go and sign up for free. The only thing we just need to quickly go and do is edit this text over here. We can actually just go and delete, which we can just go and change this basic heading over there. For example, mobile and tablet app testers, we're hiring now. So again, just go and publish your page live again, and this now will be complete, and you'll be able to access this page via your public affiliate link where anybody can go and access this. If I click on sign up for free, it will then take people to the sign up page where they can go and write app reviews and get paid for that. So it acts as a really good quality bridge page, which you can now go and promote on TikTok, YouTube, and all sorts of platforms. So now we again want to go and copy our landing page and save this under our notepad, just like that, because we're going to come back to that later. Step number 3 is actually really interesting and mind-blowing on what you can do with the tools available out on the internet today. You can come over to YouTube and go and search motivational podcast, for example. Come over to Google and go and search up any one of these videos. For example, this one over here by Motiversity. Right click, copy this link, come over to this platform called opus.pro, and you can go and paste a one long video, and this artificial intelligence tool will automatically generate 10 viral short video clips and of the most interesting parts of this longer video into 10 clips for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, all those short video platforms. So one video generates 10 pieces of content for you that you don't need to record yourself, you don't need to edit yourself. And I want to show you a good example of this. Another page doing this is called Wealth Lock on TikTok. I often use them as my example, as they are a really good example of a TikTok page that shows you don't need to put in any effort in creating your own content. They're just using stock videos, getting free quotes off YouTube, off podcasts all over the internet, and turning that into their own style of video. And you can go and do the same as long as you credit the original creator. So paste your YouTube link over here, click on get clips for free. It will take a couple of minutes and it will generate 10 viral clips out of this long YouTube podcast video. This tool will automatically fetch the video, it will grab its title, and you'll see it will take a couple of minutes, 4 minutes on the estimated waiting time, and it's going to process and analyze this video and pull out the best 10 clips and most interesting and inspirational points that is highlighted in this clip. You can edit the text. It automatically overlays the captions on the video for you. It is really an interesting tool that saves developers hours and hours of creating content. Here's the first clip of the highest score of 99. And take a look at the quality of this video. It's generated a perfect portrait mode video of the best 45 seconds of this longer YouTube video, and it's generated it into a done for you TikTok for you. Take a look at number 2. There's video number 2, video number 3, video number 4, video number 5, and goes all the way up to video number 10. And this tool gives you an automatic score of each one from best to worst. So number 1 is obviously the best, number 2, second best, and you can go and post these videos on your TikTok page just like this person is doing over here. And all you need to go and do is, when creating your TikTok account, is go and put your landing page link in the bio of your TikTok page, and there will be 1 or 2 videos that blow up to 500,000 views, 200,000 views, 400,000 views, 100,000 views, which then blows up the rest of your videos, which is bringing in thousands, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of visitors to your TikTok page on a daily basis, which even if 1% of those people click on your link, that's 1,000 people. And if one of those 1,000 people actually purchase that product, you're going to be making $40 on one sale. There might be a day where you blow up to 20 sales and have $1,000 day. That's just the nature of social media and how big influencers online that get millions of views make money off their content, is through monetizing it in various unique and their own ways, whether it's merch sales, whether it's anything really, energy drinks, sponsorships. There's all sorts of different ways that you can monetize your content, and this is just one of them that I'm busy showing you right now. And it's really easy to go and post this. You can post this video that Opus has created for you. You can click on download in HD version over here, and it will download to your PC. And I can open it up, play this video, you can share it to your phone and post on your TikTok page from there. And all I recommend you do is set a consistent schedule for yourself. For the first 30 days, especially with your cartridge trial only being 30 days, is post daily for 30 days. So that's one video a day. And all you need is 3 longer videos on YouTube to generate you 10 of these videos. 10 times 3 is 30. And there you have it. That will take you 10 minutes to go and generate 30 pieces of content. All you need to go and do is take the time, 5 minutes in a day, to go and post these content on TikTok, and you can also go and replicate that on Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Post each content on all platforms. That is Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. Go and post everywhere. Put your affiliate link or your landing page link in the bio of each of those pages, and you will get sales in your first 30 days. There's no doubt about that. So what I'm going to do is to really help you out even more if you want to really focus on making money on TikTok, YouTube Shorts through content, which is one of the easiest ways to make money in today's world, because there's billions of users on all these platforms, and it's so easy to get a piece of that pie. Is I'm going to leave my entire TikTok Make Money Online course on YouTube completely for free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of this information is on YouTube for free. The main reason being is because I do this myself. I have a full-time business off of YouTube, which I talk a lot about on my YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a playlist to more about that over here. So you'll find a TikTok playlist here and what I do full-time off of YouTube over here. So what I recommend you do is go and click on one of these playlists here, and I'll see you over there.